जो कुछ भी सीखा गलतियों से ही तो सीखा मैंने, खुद को संभाला गिर के ही तो उठना सीखा मैंने, जब भी बिखरी तो बिखर के सिमटना सीखा मैंने, जब ख्वाब टूटे तो उनको पूरा करना सीखा मैंने। कभी तो मैं भी नाजुक सी कली थी, कभी तो मैं भी बाबा की परी थी, रस्तों पे डर डर के ही तो चली थी।
I'm Iman Ahmed and I'm a fine artist, writer and this year's Fearless Ambassador to Pakistan. I first learned about Machar Colony through Dawn articles and when I first saw the gymnastics team of Imkan Welfare perform at IVF. When I saw these girls confidently leap over huge jumps, that was when I knew that this is a community that deserves to be seen and I would love to collaborate with.
Well, we started working in Machar Colony in 2012. We started with a research project on child abandonment because at that point Imkan was dealing only with placement of children for adoption. The first project we implemented here was primary healthcare unit, and from there we went on to implement KALE. KALE came out of observing the fact that there were a lot of children outside on the streets and there was no place for recreation, no safe spaces for children, and that often led to children being engaged in antisocial activities. So to try to prevent that and to have a safe space where children could come in and just be free and safe.
जब तक के सांस मेहनत से कभी न थकी मैं, कब तक रहूं इनविजिबल जंजीरों में, हिम्मत की है चमक हाथों की लकीरों में, कब तक करूं फूल बन के कांटों का मैं सामना, कांटों को काटने के लिए कुल्हाड़ी बनूं।
The workshop that Iman has held under the Fearless Collective banner has been extremely powerful. Again, I'll circle back to the fact that women in the community are very self-aware, they are resilient, but it's about creating safe spaces to be able to express yourself.
से शुरुआत रंगों में आके टिकी मैं, औरत होके भी अपनी मदद आप बनी मैं, लोग पीछे बोले पर बुरे वक्त में कोई ना पूछता, पर जब तक के सांस।
So usually when we think of murals, we think of showing people in a certain way doing certain things, especially women. Women are always teachers, mothers, sisters. They're always doing something. So after our workshop and speaking to the ladies of Machar Colony, speaking to the Imkan welfare team, I realized that women don't want to just be seen for what they do, but rather to be seen for the softer elements in their life. They want to be recognized and to be given time. They want to be given peace or sukoon. They want time to sit and rest, to enjoy a peaceful green space in a park surrounded by flowers. They would like to be business owners. They would like tea shops, chai dhabas. So women have a lot of dreams that are often put on hold because of the requirements that are placed on them by the child.
से शुरुआत रंगों में आके टिकी मैं, औरत होके भी अपनी मदद आप बनी मैं, लोग पीछे बोले पर बुरे वक्त में।
And I've also painted the tree of life here, which is with the mango, this fruit, and it's there for the community because here the people are treated as forbidden, or people who are crossing boundaries when they are coming to schools and doing something, and even dancing and gymnastics and everything. So I think this is a hint to that.
के सांस मेहनत से कभी न थकी मैं, कब तक रहूं इनविजिबल जंजीरों में, हिम्मत की है चमक हाथों की लकीरों में, कब तक करूं फूल बन के कांटों का मैं सामना, कांटों को काटने के लिए कुल्हाड़ी बनूं मैं।
I collected a team of artists from both inside the community and outside. My collaborators include Inshal Tahir, Zulekha Ahmed, Bilal, who helped us with all our videos, and also from inside the KALE community, the entire Imkan team. So this included all the boys, the girls who attended the workshop, and a special artist from the community named Qasim, who came and helped us with all the calligraphy and the teapot and all the patterns.